Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel. Today we will consult about 20 business ideas for beginners. The key is to remember it is small and initially the intention. Starting a small business can be frightening and requires plenty of careful planning. There are many small business ideas which can be beneficial as well as economical. Hence, let's begin with the top 20 small business ideas for beginners. 1. Yoga studios that promote fitness and health. 2. Launch a catering business to supply food for special occasions, gatherings, and celebrations. 3. People who work in the tourism industry frequently visit several locations. The tourism industry is one that is naive. Start a travel agency instead of starting a catering business. 4. Fast food restaurant that serves wholesome food. 5. Beginning chocolate cafe. We all adore chocolate and find it unable to resist it. With this enterprise, you can eat your way to the money. 6. Running fitness classes that promote fitness. 7. One-product restaurants. This focuses on one particular food type and everything you can do with it may seem absurd, but it makes sense. 8. Hosting security providers are compensated for keeping other people's websites free of malware and hackers. Virus, worm, and Trojan. 9. Data backup enables people to archive all of their information so they may access it later if necessary. 10. With all the crazy individuals around nowadays, surveillance cameras are a popular item to be selling these days. Every business may benefit from one. 11. Open a massage parlor. 12. Handyman services and home improvement. 13. Educational services and activities for kids. 14. Creation of software goods and applications. 15. Advisory services. Another excellent business concept is this. If you already have job experience, this is an excellent industry to start your own business in. If you are familiar with businesses that are unrelated to your own, you may extend your consulting services and even learn from each other. 16. Selling replacement components for machinery and cars. 17. If you pick large cities and towns with plenty of nice automobiles, a professional car cleaning business might be profitable. 18. Service that provides internet connections. You can run it effectively enough to generate a ton of money while offering a fast internet connection at a reasonable monthly charge. 19. Enlist a carpenter to help you launch a furniture business. 20. The internet is a fantastic source for small business ideas, especially for those that provide pure water for mobile and sachet bags or bottled water. Many individuals have wonderful ideas for businesses but need help getting them off the ground. Fortunately, there is lots of aid available for new and aspiring company owners, and there are government websites that give useful small business ideas. So browse and discover further company concepts. Share any business concepts below the comment section you have. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.